Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheater.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is customer frustrated. My phone stopped getting emails. Support agent, I see you are using the Volt in mail app. I really recommend downloading and installing a specialized app. Let me download it for you and set you up. Customer near tears. I don't want any apps. I don't know anything about apps. I just want it to work like it used to. What should the agent say next? I am sorry, this is frustrating. You still send emails? The incoming and outgoing servers are different, so one may still work. Let's go over a few things that will help you us troubleshoot. Can you get to webmail? Okay, your phone needs to work for you. Let's take a look together and see why you stopped receiving email. An app is any program that runs on your phone like your email. A better app might be a good fix. We can get things working even better than before. Let's try out this new app and see if you like it. The correct answer of the question: given the customer's frustration and reluctance towards using apps, the most appropriate response for the agent is okay, your phone needs to work for you. Let's take a look together and see why you stopped receiving email. This response acknowledges the customer's feeling, expresses a willingness to help, and suggests a collaborative approach to troubleshoot and address the issue without insisting on using a new app. It aims to understand the customer's preferences and find a solution that aligns with their comfort level. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.